Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X2 and Kia Sportage. Let's dive into their performance. The BMW X2 typically features a more robust base engine, delivering around 241 horsepower and achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.2 seconds. In contrast, the Kia Sportage often starts with an engine producing approximately 187 horsepower, focusing on smooth, efficient daily commutes. Both vehicles offer different driving dynamics, catering to distinct preferences for power and responsiveness. Moving inside, the BMW X2 showcases a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and a driver-focused cockpit, often featuring a large central display and intuitive controls. The Kia Sportage, however, prioritizes practicality and space, offering a comfortable interior with ample legroom and a user-friendly infotainment system that includes features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While the X2 provides a sporty feel, the Sportage often boasts more overall cargo volume, making it versatile for families. When it comes to the driving experience, the BMW X2 is known for its agile handling and firm suspension, providing a more dynamic and engaging ride that enthusiasts often appreciate. The Kia Sportage, on the other hand, offers a smoother, more composed ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and longer trips where comfort is key. While the X2 typically starts at a higher price point, the Sportage provides exceptional value with its comprehensive features and strong warranty. Finally, let's consider safety. Both the BMW X2 and Kia Sportage come equipped with a robust array of safety features, including multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability control. They also offer advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, though the standard offerings can differ. Each vehicle aims to provide peace of mind on the road. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.